Hey, officer. Officer. Officer.
Hey. If you don't mind, I really don't want to talk tonight, but if you could go to the sidewalk so I can move out of
I was just going to ask you for a business card or your name and badge number.
I'd appreciate if you looked online or called the watch commander if you want any information.
4274.
You're not going to identify? What's your name?
Have a good night.
Damn. All right.
Status? 74, I think I covered you tonight. 74, 10-4.
Well, she was a...
It's never come up, so...
Crazy. Did she give you her name?
No.
No?
I mean, it's on the ticket. Yeah.
I just asked her for her name. She was all rude about it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, bro. You fine, though, bro. I was like, Sandoval. Officer Sandoval.
Sandoval, okay.